up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is actually an exciting day for the S2000. We're actually going to be installing the 3-inch exhaust. It's the Berk technology exhaust. It's from the header back, so this thing's going to be crazy loud. It's going to be pretty simple install, but this is the first official aftermarket part that I'm putting on the S, so it should be dope. So right now I'm actually going to go to AutoZone and pick up some gasket maker, and I think I need to pick up a O2 sensor socket because I don't have one. I need to go get one. And yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace. Here's the stock right here, guys. Guys, so this is the Berk Technologies 3-inch header back. So that attaches to that goes straight into the header, and then boom, it's pretty much like a straight pipe out to this 3-inch. I think this tip is a 4-inch if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on. That's the stock exhaust, 2 fat mufflers. I'm ready to see what this sounds like. How you like it, babe? Too loud? Let's see under this bridge right here. Bro, it sounds like the Gran Turismo, like right here. The next day, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little cold start of the car, and we're just gonna be cruising today. I'll get some sound clips here and there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a cold start. Guys, love it. I recommend it. It was an easy install. I didn't get to show the install process just because it got dark and me and my fiance were just trying to knock it out real quick. And we did little pulls. I don't know if you saw those, but this is the next day. We're just gonna cruise to Temecula. Just grab some food. Just the exhaust intake or the airbox mod, and that's about it. It's pretty loud, guys. Like, if you were to hear it in person, if you see me in person, or if you know someone with this exhaust is loud. It's just perfect. Just the downshifts, everything. It just makes you feel more of a driver. You know, it feels more like you're like, boy, if you don't get like you obviously got full control, but with the exhaust, it makes you feel like you got like, if anything, you just feel like a better driver overall. I don't know if that is the feeling I get or if others do as well. Like, once you make your car louder, you just hear it more and it feels more responsive just because you're more aware. I don't know if that makes sense. But the only thing I got to say is that it does have some drone from 3,000, 4,000 RPM, but it's not that bad, you know? Damn, guys, can you guys believe all this is vegan right here? So fire. Quesadilla, and then this is a beefless asada burrito. Topo Chico, you already know. Hot sauce.
The Type R, real quick. The two Type Rs. Some kid asked me the other day in the drive-thru. He's like, "Yo, is this a Type R?" I was like, "Nah, man, it's just regular Civic." Wah, wah, wah. Like this.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be sick.
What's that? Oh, whichever. What is that? A Focus? Focus. You're good.
Which way should I turn? Not Brad.
Down to like if you're.
All right, so we just hit Mexico.
Yeah.
Now we can do some pulls.
Woo. That's just loud as fuck, man. It sounds good.
Oh, it sounds sick?
Yeah, I like it. That sounds way better than mine. I wish mine sounded like that. My shit just sounds like a straight up fart can.
Like
that, like.
Can I turn right here?
Yeah, right here. You know, like that typical Honda Civic at 3 in the morning with a fucking laptop. Yeah, that's what it is. Shit! Fuck yeah, that sounds good. Hold on, this Karen's Mexican Karen.
Alright guys, so we gotta check engine light, we gotta check what's up. I don't know why. Probably the O2 sensor. Good.